Hello, welcome. Can you identify the names of the highlighted words in the picture? Yes, you are correct. They are known as articles. Shall we now learn about articles? Articles. They are the unique features of English language. There are two types of articles in English. They are definite article and indefinite article. The is considered as definite article. A and an are considered as indefinite articles. Definite article the is the most frequent word in English. Let us learn when to use definite article the. In general, definite article the is same for all genders in singular and plural. For example, the boy, the cat and the computers. Definite article the is used to refer something which has already been mentioned. For example, an elephant and a mouse fell in love. The mouse loved the elephant's trunk and the elephant loved the mouse's tiny nose. Definite article the is used to refer to objects we regard as unique. For example, the sun, the moon and the world. The is used to refer well-known buildings or work of art. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Mona Lisa. It is used before musical instruments. For example, she is learning the guitar. The is used before geographical features such as mountains, groups of islands, rivers, seas and oceans. For example, the Himalayas and the Atlantic. The is used before the names of newspaper. For example, the Times. The is used with decades or groups of year. For example, she grew up in the 70s. The is used before superlatives and ordinal numbers. For example, the highest building and the first page. Before I conclude, congratulations on learning the most frequent word in English. The improper usage may change the meaning. So use definite article the carefully in everyday speech. Thank you.